Good morning. This is English video session for class 6. Children, we have done the grammar part of how the dog found himself a master, and now the only thing that is left out in this particular topic is the question and answers session. So please write the question and the answer in your classwork. In the first exam, which is going to come few days, that is the monthly test is over, so you did not have because you came only recently. There will be periodical tests. In that these questions shall come. Okay, so you need to be writing all the textbook question and answers. You should know all the textbook question and answers. So take your notebook and write this. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Okay, the question is, why did the dog feel the need for a master? The dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. So, the dog felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Okay, can you write the answer? When you start writing the answer, the tense must always be in past. Make sure you don't use your present. Is that clear? Yes. Can you write it? Okay. Now let me go to the next question. Yes. Let us see the next question. You can even make a pause and write it fully. Okay? Yes. 2. The question is, who did he first choose as his master? Look at the spelling of choose. C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose as his master. Why did he leave that master? Okay. The answer is, the dog first chose a big, strong and fierce wolf as his master. Once the dog saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up. Since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, look at the sentence. Since the dog wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf and asked the bear, who was stronger than the wolf, to be his master. He left the wolf and asked the bear, who is stronger than him, to be his master. Okay? Can you write? Please copy it. Shall I go to the next question? Yes. Use the capitals whenever necessary. Put punctuations, comma, full stop, capitals in the answer sheet. If they are not followed, the marks shall be deducted. It is not that only grammatical mistakes will be detected, marks will be detected. Even punctuations need to be alert, perfect. When you are writing, keep your eyes opened, concentrate, write as it is. You can make your own sentences, but the sentences which you make should be grammatically correct, should have the appropriate punctuations and convey the same meaning. If it is so, then marks will be awarded. Do you get the point? Okay. Now let me go to the next question. Who did he choose next? He chose. What is the past tense of choose? Choose is C-H-O-O-S-E. Chose. Chose is past tense. C-H-O-S-E. He chose, past tense. Okay, don't make mistakes in the tenses. Chose. C-H-O-S-E. Chose. Okay. He chose the bear to be his next master. Okay. Now let us go to the next. Put the full stop. What is that 3 written next to in brackets? It's the paragraph where you can find the answer. Okay. Clear? Shall we go to the next? Yes. Now let us go to the 4th question. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest. There was no one more powerful. Okay. He served, right? S-E-R-V-E-D. It's a spelling error there. Served, right? He served. S-E-R-V-E-D. Served the lion for a long time because he found there was no one. A-O-N-E. Add that. There was no one more powerful and stronger than the lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long period. For a long time, for a long period, both answers, both the words can be used. Okay. Write it as served. He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest. No one. Okay. And so no one dared to touch the dog or to offend him in any way. Therefore, the dog lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Okay. Now next let's answer. Please write it. Now next. Why did he finally choose? Who did he finally choose as his master and why? He finally chose. He finally chose. Who? He finally chose man. M-A-N. Man as his master. Because one day he realized the lion was afraid of man. As he wanted to serve someone who was most powerful, stronger than anyone on earth, he chose the man as his master. Okay. He chose the man as his master. Okay. Did you understand? Please write it. writing in your own language, I don't have any issues, but they must be grammatically correct. They must be perfect in their grammar. Okay, only then I can agree upon it. Okay, ठीक है. Now shall I stop? Already I have completed the grammar part in this. You remember? Yes. All these things we wrote on the day. I gave the answers. You remember I gave the answers? Yes. This is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met the lion, who seemed strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long period. One day he realized the lion was afraid of the man, and to this day, dog remains man's best friend. Okay? ठीक है. Okay children, that is the end of the slide. Thank you.